What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. And today is a windy, cold day. This is a move out. Customer booked the appointment a couple weeks ago, and yeah, looks pretty straightforward. It's that. Well, as far as the quote, I told him I'd check it and make sure everything matched up, and yeah, so we're doing enzyme on all the rooms. Now, you can't see too much right now. If I close this up, let's see. All right, this is help out a little bit more, but yeah, we got some pet stains throughout here. Can't see them too much. Those two spots are. But this type of carpet kind of hard to tell. It should be lightening up with the light, so maybe there isn't so much in this room. Let's check the other rooms. There's a light, a UV light that TMF Truck Mount Forums has. I may end up getting that. Yeah, see, we got some color here. What they say is you can have the lights on, you can see the differences. With this light, you gotta close the blinds at least, turn off the lights. In here it looks really bad. Not sure exactly what it is, but there's brown spots all through here. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do an enzyme on these rooms. So he went and paid me to do all enzyme in every one of these rooms, and so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go through there and hit whatever I can see. There. So if you guys are just starting out or thinking about getting into the business, make sure you get one of these. Okay, I have this one actually in a link underneath the video, underneath all my videos and the tools I use. It's just not too expensive. It's not like a TMF is like 250 bucks. This one I think is like 50 or 60. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get started. Stay tuned. All right, besides just doing a little walkthrough, I just brought out these tools right here, my vacuum, and put up my corner guards. It's 124. Let's see how long this takes me. Okay. That would not sure what that is. Well, my vacuum didn't like it. Just much battery life on this, so I'm not going to do too much long footage. So stay tuned. So why enzyme is dwelling, let it dwell at a minimum 10 minutes, 15, preferably a little bit longer if you can. But why it's dwelling, that's why I hit it first. I can pull out all my hose and get everything else set up without having to stop. It all needs to be done anyway. So that's what I'm doing now. Pulling out my hoses. Got my pre-spray waiting. So once I pull out my hoses, then I'll put down my pre-spray and then I'll agitate. So being this is gonna be the first room I clean, I'm gonna start out, I always start at the back of the house, work my way out. I'm gonna pre-spray this room first. And then and that way, this room had as much time to dwell as possible. Because while I'm spraying the rest of the house, you know, this is dwelling. A lot of you guys that are already in this business already know this, I know. But some people don't. Some people are taking way too long on the jobs and wondering why they're not making, you know, the money I am, or being able to finish the job as quick as I do and still be thorough, not skipping any steps. Okay. Keep this in mind, guys. If you're seriously thinking on getting into the business and you can get a good deal on portable, definitely get that. Even if you're doing VLM, even the bottom of the barrel type of maybe low PSI portable, because that way you can make, you won't be able to pass up heavy saturated pet stain problems, which really ups the ticket, as you're going to see at the end of this video. So stay tuned. right, guys, all finished up. Covers came out great. All the brown came out, including that one spot. Customer's gonna be happy because I can tell you he was probably thinking it wasn't gonna come out, you know, but he gave it a try. I do never guarantee, but as you can tell, it looks great. All right, so yeah, I just got excited. You know why? I'm a little bummed out though. Being my GoPro battery died, I can't show you what time it is. I'm gonna have to figure out a way. Maybe I'll screenshot it. Okay. Today is the 19th. I started at about 1 something, so I'll screenshot the time and put that at the end of the video. So yeah, this estimate was for 400 and some change, I believe. It took me an hour. It took me about 15 minutes to put this away, so about an hour and 15 minutes. You do the math. That was kind of arrogant, wasn't it? I'm not being arrogant. I'm just trying to motivate you guys that are thinking about getting into this business, starting a side hustle, you know. I mean, if you want to make extra $500 a month, just do one job or 2 small jobs. You know, that's a car payment. And then you can keep working on your business. Before you know it, you can be working for yourself. All right, so I'm gonna call this a wrap and get out of here. Thanks for watching. So please like and subscribe and comment. And again, almost everything you need to know as far as starting your own carpet cleaning business is in the course below the video. It was well worth it, guys. It took a bunch of headaches I had to go through. Put it all in one thing so you don't have to make the same mistakes, all right? We'll see you in the next one.